Good evening, guys. Train number 123, hashtag Trains Rock. We've got train 101 coming. He's approaching the bridge right now. Unfortunately, though, the lighting's bad because it's like almost 8 o'clock. Thankfully, the daylight savings has happened, and I can film in daylight. But here he comes now, and I want you to listen to the rails as he approaches. This is train 101, the daily hotshot train from Bowden Yard to Port Seawall in Miami. This train normally consists of trailers, sometimes auto racks, and mainly container cars. The rails make a lovely humming sound before the train approaches. This train consists of CSX cargo and the FEC cargo. CSX usually transports their cargo via the FEC railroad. I know the lighting sucks, but I have to deal with this because it's around 8 o'clock almost. So, fortunately, it's just like old times. UPS is usually also a common customer on train 101. The United Parcel Service. Others included are CSX, Schneider, Pacer Stack Train. The Florida East Coast themselves transport their own trains. So, they transport their own cargo on their line. BNSF is one of the stacker well car providers. CSX themselves. Well, yeah, no, not CSX. Sometimes. But once again, this is the daily hotshot train from Bowden Yard in Jacksonville to see Port Seawall in Miami. This is train 101. This train is usually on time, but not all the time though. Mainly there's CSX on this one. There's mainly CSX on this one for the containers. More UPS, a lot of parcels and shipping and parcels, you know, parcels, mail, etc. They're all being transported via the train. You also got EMP, what else? A lot of graffiti. You could say these trains are, what is the word? They're like art train. They're like an art gallery on rails. Here goes the end of train 101. Alright, that was train 101 with 811. I'm coming. Train 811, 303, 8, and the 803.